In this video, we want to combine for loops and conditions to solve small tasks using their logical combination. In this case, we will take an example from the Jupyter Notebook, where we iteratively check a series of temperatures to see if they meet the condition of a tropical night, which is defined as having at least 20 degrees Celsius. We'll start our loop with for I, so for every element, in our list temps. We will check if I is greater than or equal to 20. If that's the case, something should happen. Specifically, we want to increment a counter every time we see a value greater than or equal to 20. We will define this counter outside of our for loop and call the variable tropical nights, setting it to 0 at the beginning. As we iterate through the temperature series, whenever we find a value of 20 degrees Celsius or more, we will increase this counter by 1. With this expression, the content of the variable tropical nights is overwritten each time. Again, make sure that the indentation is done correctly. So the first time we find a tropical night, the value becomes 1. If the condition is met again, we add another 1, giving us a value of 2, and so on. Once our for loop has iterated over all the elements in the temperature series, we will get the final result. I will do that here using an f string, and put the variable tropical nights in curly brackets, so I can combine the string and the integer in a single print statement. Now when I run this, the for loop iterates over my dataset, and my counter increases whenever a tropical night occurs. As you can see, it was pretty quick. In this case, our data series was quite short, and you could probably have done this manually. But if we are looking at a time series over several years, that would be too much to handle manually. That's where a small program like this comes in handy to quickly automate the task.